Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the process of how to manually resync your calendar with the events calendar that's on the website. So in this case, we have a school calendar on Faith Christian School website, and we need to manually resync the events that are being pulled from Google Calendar. This is a process that you can learn about getting set up using our other tutorial videos. The key is, once you get to the WordPress dashboard, which is after logging in, then you'll want to go to Events, hover over that, and click on Import. So, Events, Import. Then from here, you're going to see the option for New Import, and you'll want to go to Scheduled Imports. This is, of course, assuming that you already have imports from Google Calendar set up. This website has several of them set up. So what we're going to do is choose a calendar to sync, hover over it, and click on Run Import. This is going to force the import to happen prior to its scheduled daily frequency. You can do this for any calendars. Just be cautious. If you resync too many calendars and do it too many times, you can more easily use up all of the CPU resources on the server, and it may actually cause the site to go down if you do it too frequently. So use this tool sparingly. If you make updates on the Google side to a particular calendar and you want a more immediate update than the daily sync, then you can use this, but it's not recommended to force all of them to resync at the same time, because that'll use up a lot of server resources. That's all there is to it. Simply go to Events, Import, and run the import. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.